If I was skinnier, smarter, prettier, richer, then I might be lovable. Yeah. So if I get those things, then I'll be lovable. Then I'll have worth and value. And that will then make me feel okay. And then when I feel okay, I will have self-esteem and confidence. I believe that the best way you can respect anyone is by filling their buckets. And so the two buckets are, one bucket is, am I enough? I don't know if I'm enough. Am I skinny enough, pretty enough, smart enough, rich enough, good enough at my job, a good enough wife, husband, brother, sister, partner, employee, teacher, student, whatever? Am I good enough? I'm not sure if I'm good enough. And then the other bucket is, am I lovable? I don't know if the whole good enough stuff makes me lovable. I think I'm not lovable. Yeah, I think I'm not lovable. That is what I think we don't realize is actually going on beneath the surface when we're talking about respect. If you are communicating to someone, I think you're enough. I think you're lovable. They then think I am okay. And they then feel respected by me because I'm seeing them, I'm hearing them, I'm acknowledging them, I'm communicating to them, hey, you're enough. Hey, you're lovable.